So it's a trap, because mostly the people solve in this way. 4 minus 1 they will get 3, and 4 minus 1 they will get 3. Their answer will be equal to 9. But actually, it's not a correct way to solve. We will have to solve this question again according to PEMDAS rule. First of all, according to PEMDAS, we have to solve parentheses, which will be equal to 3, okay? Now, it's 4 minus 1, okay? Now, we have only two operations, multiplication and subtraction. We have to prefer multiplication. It will be equal to 12. And here it is minus 1. Now, 12 minus 1 will be equal to 11. Will be our answer. In the first case, we got 9, and in second case, we got 11. So 11 will be correct answer for this question according to PEMDAS rule. Thank you for your big support.